Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Excel sheet. First, open a new workbook and consider the main goal for your data. This initial step guides your entire setup process. Next, begin by labeling your columns with clear, concise headers that accurately describe the information below them. This organization is crucial for data entry and future analysis, making your sheet user-friendly and efficient from the start. Once your headers are in place, start entering your data. Ensure consistency in your entries, using the same format for dates or currency, for example. Select your header row and apply bold formatting to make it stand out. Then, adjust column widths by double-clicking between column letters or manually dragging to ensure all content is visible without unnecessary space. This improves readability significantly. Now let's add some power with formulas and functions. For basic calculations, type an equal sign, then your formula, like equals sum, a2, a10, to add a range of numbers. Excel offers hundreds of functions for everything from averages to conditional logic. Always test your formulas with a few known values to confirm they are working correctly. This ensures your sheet provides accurate results every time. To elevate your sheet, consider conditional formatting to automatically highlight cells based on specific criteria, like values above $1,000. Visualizing your data with charts, such as a bar graph or pie chart, can reveal trends and insights quickly. Simply select your data and choose a chart type. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These advanced features transform raw data into actionable information, making your Excel sheet a powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.